How to find someone on Instagram by their phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find someone on Instagram by using their phone number. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Instagram app. Once you're here, you need to tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to tap on the three lines located in the top right corner of your screen. Now that you're in settings and activity, you need to tap on account center. Now you need to scroll down and tap on your information and permission. Now, once you do that, you can see an option over here that says upload contact. Simply go ahead and tap on that. Then you need to go ahead and select your Instagram account. Then you can see an option that says connect contact. You need to simply toggle it on and then you need to tap on OK. Now that your contacts are connected, you will be able to find someone on Instagram by their phone number. Simply go ahead and search for their account right over here. And that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.